Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu states that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam would make this supplication in the evening. We have entered the evening, and the country has entered the evening for Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. All praises are unto Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. There is no worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, the one and alone. He has no partner. The reporter says that he thinks that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam also said, His is the sovereignty and all praise is due to Him, and He is omnipotent. O Lord Jalla Jalaluhu, I beg you the good, what lies in this night and what will follow this night, and seek refuge with you from the harm which lies in this night and the evil of what follows this night. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I seek refuge with you from indolence and the evil of the old age. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I seek refuge with you from the torment in hell and the punishment in grave. And when the morning would dawn, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would make this supplication: we have entered the morning and the country has entered the morning for Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6846.